Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Agile. In last session, I am discussed about what is analytical balance calibration, why do we need to calibrate, what are the types in that, how to verify a successful calibration, reference guidelines, balance calibration parameters. All these are in previous video. If you don't watch that video, please watch that. After watching that, watch this video. Then you will understand clearly. Next, coming to the continuation of that video, in this session, I will discuss about responsibilities and general precautions for the calibration of the analytical balance. Let's start this session with responsibilities. For QC analyst, the QC analyst shall be responsible for the operation, calibration, and maintenance of the instrument as per the SOP, maintaining the history code, instrument usage logbook, and weight prints as per the SOP. Next, QC head. QC head shall be responsible to ensure that the instrument is operated, calibrated, and maintained, and the related documentation is done as per the SOP. For QA, QA shall be responsible to ensure the implementation of the system as per the SOP. Next, plant head and QC head. Plant head and quality head shall be responsible to for the approval of the SOP. Next, general precautions. Balance door. The balance door should not be opened during weighing. Temperature. Temperature of the balance and the material to be weighed should the same. Do not expose hygroscopic material more time in the air during weighing because hygroscopic material absorb moisture quickly. So, hygroscopic material. Do not expose hygroscopic material more time in the air during weighing. Air currents should not present near the balance. Level properly the balance. Do not cause vibration during laboratory operations. Next, weighing precautions. Pick up the weight with a forceps. Place it carefully on the pan. Place the weight in the center of the balance pan to eliminate the corner weighing difference. Do not overload the balance pan more than the capacity of the balance. Many chemicals, corrosive salts, should not spill on the balance pan or inside the balance housing. Before weighing or calibration, the balance should exactly in a horizontal position. Check the level indicator, which should be in the center. If any unevenness is observed in its location, correct it by turning leveling feet until the level bubble is in the center of the indicator. The weight chosen for the calibration should be such that the tolerance of the weight used does not exceed 0.1% of the amount weighed. The weight used for the calibration shall be calibrated. All the weights taken should be plus or minus 10% of the target weight. The analyst shall always use the calibrated weight box for calibration purposes. Calibrate weight boxes by outside agency yearly plus or minus 30 days. After the receipt of the calibrated weight box along with the calibration certificate, the limit for allowable tolerance limit should be calculated as minimum and maximum weight from the limit in terms of percent mentioned for all the weights which required for the calibration. I will explain it clearly. For example, actual mass value found after calibration is 200.0050 gram. Then 199.8050 gram to 200.2050 gram is the minimum and maximum weight limit as per plus or minus 0.1% of the actual mass value. Every time after calibration of weight box, the following shall be reprinted and implemented. They are like this. The minimum and maximum limit calculated as above for all weights. Weight box number valid up to date. After calibration, submit the raw data for checking. Calibration status label. The analyst shall update the calibration status label and make an entry in the instrument usage logbook. If the weight print facility of balance is not working, then inform the service engineer for rectification of this problem. Till rectification of this problem, check the weight during weighing and signed by the section head. If print facility available, attach the printout with a template in case the weight print taken or not considered in the calculation. For example, due to unclear visibility, misprinting, not as per defined statistics mode or weighing mode, that weight prints are not considered. In that case, attach such weight prints in the template and write justification against the weight print on the respective template. Take fresh standard or sample weight for the batch to continue the analysis. If the calibration status label is not provided by the certified agency, then affix the label on the weight box. The above mentioned general notes and precautions are applicable to all the analytical balance available in the quality control department. Next one. Cleaning procedure. Remove powder if any from inside the balance using soft nylon brush and wipe with clean cotton balls. Remove weighing pan and wipe it with a soft nylon brush if required. Wipe with clean cotton soaked in 70% IPA solution and dry the pan with cotton balls completely before mounting. Wipe the carefully inner side of the balance with clean moist cotton with 70% IPA solution in water without disturbing the balance, and finally mop with clean dry cotton. In case of dirty spots or stains on the body, use cotton balls soaked in 70% IPA solution in water. Next one, operation procedure. Ensure that balance is on firm vibration free position and in a room without temperature fluctuations. Check that balance is exactly in a horizontal position. Compensate it if any minor unevenness in its location. Uh, check that Check that balance is exactly in a horizontal position. Compensate it if any minor unevenness in its location by turning two leveling feet at the rear of the balance housing until the air bubble is in the center of the leveling control. Connect the power supply of instrument with the mains and turn power switch on. Press on or off key. The display will show normal weight 0.0000 gram. Allow the balance to warm up for initialization 30 minutes. Press the O by T key of the menu bar. The display shows 0.0000 gram. If we are working with butter paper and container, place it on the weighing pan. Close the glass draft shield and press the O by T key to tear the scale. Press the print key from the menu bar to take a printout of the printer is attached. Before executing the tests, the analyst should place the weights in the vicinity of the balance for an appropriate time to reach sufficient thermal equilibrium. If possible, carry out all tests with a single test weight in order to minimize handling errors. If possible, carry out all tests with a single test weight in order to minimize handling errors, but multiple test weights are permitted. I covered all these topics, general precautions, cleaning procedure, weighing precautions, and operating procedure. So, I hope you understand. If you watch this video first time, if you watch my channel first time, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you everybody.